channel, and today's video was unboxing video. So let's begin the video of my Airtel Wi-Fi. So let's begin. So guys, this was the box. I have bringed it from Amazon. You can also buy it. I give it the link and check out from there. So guys, there will nothing. See, there will my Airtel Wi-Fi. I will show you with the back camera. Let's check out the things. See, let's turn at the back camera. Let's turn it. So guys, look at this. This was the box. See, there will be much filling date, and that was a Airtel Wi-Fi. My Airtel Wi-Fi. And let's open it. There was the. I will open it. So first I get it. First there will be a charger. See, this is the charger cable. And the second was this one is a plastic. I forget the plastic is very gone. And this was the Wi-Fi. This was, I think, what is this? This was a charger, I think. The battery. Yeah, this is the battery. This one is the battery. And one more thing. What is this? Yeah. This was the menu cable. Use manual. इसमें सब लिखा, तो चलो, और इसमें अब कुछ नहीं लिखा दिया, तो चलिए लाइन बाय लाइन इसको देखते, इसको साइड में रख देते हैं इसको। तो पहले थिंग में ये इसका कुछ अभी कुछ काम नहीं है। ये चार्जर केबल, इसकी चौड़ाई होगी लगभग, दिखाते हैं। गाइस, मैंने एक हैंड से कैमरा पकड़ा, तो मैं आपको फर्स्ट कैमरा से दिखाती हूँ। तो गाइस, लेट्स टेक आउट द फ्रंट कैमरा. So guys, this was the charger cable, and let's take out how length was the charger cable. This was the rubber. I put it here and see how long is it. Too long. I think it's 1 meter. I don't know how much the charger cable is needed. That's much. I will use it. And the battery. In the back, see, this is the battery. I will use it, apply it, and solid. And this was nice. So it's very light. It was too light. And see, let's open it. And on the right, when I opening this, here the opening point, you can open from this. I was opening it, but it didn't open. Yeah, this will be open. See, this was the SIM card. I here SIM. Yeah, here was the SIM card, and here also can we use the SIM card. SD card. You can use SD card. And this was a battery. Up to in it. This was the. And this point will be using this one. Let's try it. I put it this and cover it. And let's open it. It's on. It will be on. Take 2 or 3 minutes. 2 minutes to open. See. This will be open. See, the sign is coming, and this sign will be checked out by the green and blue was thing. And this was here the charger point here, and the 3 dots of the charger. See? 3 dots. The first charger is my charger 2 point. And this one, I don't know what is this. I have to read in this one. Let's read it. And one more thing, there will be charger point, charge from here, and this will be on. And check out the manual, and then I connect with my laptop. So this was the manual. We will written in the first one. See the first one written, the thanks you for choosing Airtel My Wi-Fi. It can help you to access the internet anytime, anywhere. The device is whatever receive it written. The process is how to apply it. And this one, do you know? I tell that what is this? The restarted button. When the company have set this one Wi-Fi, and we can restart it. This how new is coming. My also is new, but the company has set it. You can also use company password change. You can change it, and that's what. Or you can also use it in on Google, or change the password or what you want to, and change the new tag. Check how it's working or not. Let's check out. This was my laptop, and here I have to check the internet was coming. I've already used this, that's why it didn't need the password. Is connected already. See, it's connected. And let's check out the speed. Let's check the speed of the my Wi-Fi Airtel. It's opening. Let's take time. Yes, this should be open. Let's try. Let's take time. I have opened lots of. See guys, this will be open. And here I type to speed. Speed test. Here was that, and here run a speed test. Here the testing the speed. It's cool. I have a 5. Yeah, grow. Okay, fine, but it's good. Speed was okay. Little more goes up. Fine. You guys, you have to check it. And do you want to open the in my Airtel? My Airtel login. Type here login. You can use it, and that's for all. That's for all guys, and thank you to support me, and my subscriber will be 25. Thank you so much guys. Be with me, and I make the videos. I can't make the videos because my classes will be started. I will not get at the time to make the video. Today is Sunday. I have made the video, and that's for thanks for the Airtel company. This was the awesome product. You have to also buy it for your laptop, for your child. Yes, must buy it. That's for all. Thank you. Bye bye.